All right, so we're in the top of the bell tower, the Scottish Rite Cathedral. This is how they manually play the bells. This is the old one. Here's the one currently in place. You can see the lines going up into the ceiling. How neat is that? Wow. What song do we have? Oh, look at the dusty butt print. What song do we have here? The Golden Key. Take time to be holy. My Jesus, I love thee. My faith looks up to thee. Huh. That is wild. Wonder if maybe we can open this window without having it fall out to the people below. Oh, it goes in.
Oh, look at that.
That is really neat. Wow, that is amazing.